Hi and welcome. My name is Alicia, and today we talk about long and thick hair. Maybe you're not aware of it, but you're literally destroying your hair every single day with 3 deadly mistakes that are keeping your strands thin and lifeless. The hair care industry has been lying to you. And I'm about to expose the shocking truth, plus the natural solution that actually works. Listen to me and listen to me well. I'm about to expose the biggest hair care lies that are keeping your hair thin, brittle, and lifeless. You think you're taking care of your hair? You think that expensive salon shampoo is helping you? Think again. I've spent years researching why 90% of people over 35 are literally sabotaging their hair growth. Every single day without even knowing it. The hair care industry has been feeding you lies, and your hair is paying the price. You're probably doing at least 3 things right now that are destroying your follicles and preventing your hair from reaching its true potential. But here's what's going to shock you. Achieving thick, long, healthy hair isn't about buying more products or spending hundreds at salons. It's about stopping the damage you're doing and following a research-backed routine that actually works. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your hair isn't growing, and more importantly, you'll have the exact routine that will transform your hair in ways you never thought possible. Stay with me because what I'm about to share will completely change how you think about hair care forever. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let me tell you something that's going to make you uncomfortable. You're probably destroying your hair every single morning and night. Research from trichology studies shows that most people make 3 critical mistakes that literally strangle their hair follicles. First crime, you're washing your hair wrong. I don't care what your hairdresser told you, washing your hair every day or even every other day is murder for your follicles. Your scalp produces natural oils for a reason, but you're stripping them away like you're cleaning a dirty floor. Those oils are liquid gold for hair growth, and you're washing them down the drain. Second crime, you're using heat like a weapon. Blow dryers, straighteners, curling irons. You're literally cooking your hair shaft every single day. The protein structure breaks down at temperatures above 300 degrees. And guess what temperature your straightener reaches? Over 400 degrees, you're turning your beautiful hair into brittle straw. Third crime, and this one makes me furious. You're brushing wet hair like you're trying to rip it out. Wet hair is 50% weaker than dry hair, yet you grab that brush and go to town like you're scrubbing a pot. Every stroke is breaking hundreds of strands. The worst part? You've been told these are normal parts of hair care. They're not normal. They're destroying your chances of ever having the thick, long hair you dream about. Here's the truth that's going to sting. Those expensive hair products in your bathroom are probably making everything worse. The hair care industry has convinced you that you need 5 to 10 different bottles to have healthy hair. It's complete nonsense. I'm tired of watching people waste their money on chemical cocktails that promise miracles but deliver damage. Research from independent laboratories reveals that most commercial shampoos contain sulfates so harsh they're used in industrial cleaning products. You're literally washing your hair with degreaser. These chemicals strip away not just dirt and oil, but the protective barrier your hair desperately needs to grow strong and healthy. And those silicone-loaded conditioners you're slathering on, they're creating a false sense of softness while actually suffocating your hair shaft. Silicones build up over time, creating a barrier that prevents moisture from penetrating where it's actually needed. Your hair feels smooth for a few hours, then becomes even drier than before. And don't even get me started on leave-in treatments loaded with alcohol. These products are marketed as moisturizing, but alcohol is one of the most drying ingredients you can put on your hair. It's like drinking salt water when you're thirsty. It makes the problem worse while giving you temporary relief. The solution isn't buying more products. It's about using fewer and better ingredients that actually nourish your hair from the inside out. Nature provides everything your hair needs to thrive. But the beauty industry wants to keep you dependent on their chemical concoctions. Now, let me share what actually works, backed by real research that the hair care industry doesn't want you to know. Your hair follicles are living organisms that need specific nutrients to produce strong, healthy strands. When you understand the biology, everything changes. Hair is primarily made of a protein called keratin, but here's what most people don't understand. Your hair needs specific amino acids to build this protein correctly. Rice water, which has been used for centuries in Asian cultures, contains 8 essential amino acids that directly feed your hair follicles. Clinical studies show that regular rice water treatments can increase hair growth by up to 34% in just 3 months. The fermentation process makes all the difference. When rice is soaked for extended periods, beneficial bacteria break down the starches into compounds that can actually penetrate the hair shaft. This isn't just coating your hair with temporary shine. It's rebuilding the internal structure that makes hair strong and elastic. But rice water alone isn't enough. Your scalp needs moisture and nutrients to maintain a healthy environment for growth. Aloe vera contains over 75 active compounds, including vitamins A, C, and E, which are crucial for cellular repair. The proteolytic enzymes in aloe vera literally repair damaged cells on your scalp, while the natural moisturizers prevent the dryness that leads to breakage. The combination creates a synergistic effect that addresses every aspect of hair health: nutrition, moisture, pH balance, and cellular repair. This isn't theory. This is documented science that works. Here's the exact routine that will transform your hair, and it only requires ingredients you can get anywhere. No expensive salon treatments, no harsh chemicals, just pure nutrition for your follicles. Start with rice preparation. Take 3 tablespoons of any rice you have at home. Rinse it thoroughly until the water runs clear to remove any processing chemicals or dirt. This step is crucial because you don't want to introduce toxins into your treatment. Soak the clean rice in half a cup of filtered water for at least 4 hours, but overnight is even better. The longer fermentation creates more beneficial compounds. After soaking, strain the liquid. This is your liquid gold. The rice water should have a milky appearance and slightly sweet smell. Next, add 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel to your rice water. If you have fresh aloe, perfect. If not, choose a gel with minimal additives. The ingredient list should be short and recognizable. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of your gentlest shampoo. This creates a complete cleansing and treatment system that works with your hair's natural biology instead of against it. Mix everything thoroughly until it creates a smooth, slightly foamy consistency. This mixture will cleanse, nourish, and repair simultaneously, something no commercial product can match. Apply this treatment to wet hair, starting at the roots and working down to the ends. Massage gently into your scalp for 2 minutes. Then let it sit for exactly 5 minutes. This timing allows the nutrients to penetrate while preventing overprocessing. Rinse with lukewarm water and follow with a cold rinse to seal the hair cuticles. Your hair will feel different immediately, stronger, smoother, and more alive. To supercharge your results, timing and technique matter more than you realize. Use this treatment twice a week maximum. More isn't better when it comes to hair care. Your hair needs time to process and utilize these nutrients between treatments. Always apply to freshly washed, damp hair. The hair cuticles are slightly open from cleansing, allowing deeper penetration of the beneficial compounds. Never apply to dirty hair. Oils and product buildup will prevent the treatment from working effectively. Water temperature is critical. Hot water swells the hair shaft and can cause the treatment to penetrate too deeply, leading to protein overload. Cold water keeps cuticles too tight for proper absorption. Lukewarm water is the sweet spot for optimal results. Between treatments, protect your investment. Sleep on silk or satin pillowcases to reduce friction and moisture loss. Use silk scrunchies instead of elastic bands that can cause breakage. These small changes compound over time into significant results. Most importantly, be consistent. Hair grows in cycles, and you need to support healthy growth for at least 3 complete cycles to see dramatic changes. This means committing to the routine for 3 to 4 months minimum. The people who see the most dramatic transformations are those who stick with it even when they don't see immediate results. Document your progress with photos every 2 weeks. Hair growth happens gradually, and you might not notice day-to-day changes. But monthly comparisons will show the incredible transformation taking place. The choice is yours. Continue doing what you've always done and get the same disappointing results. Or commit to a routine that actually works. Every day you wait is another day of potential growth lost forever. I've given you everything you need to transform your hair completely. This isn't just another routine. It's a complete shift in how you approach hair care. You now understand the science, you have the exact formula, and you know the techniques that maximize results. Your hair has incredible potential that's been suppressed by years of wrong information and damaging products. But that ends today. You have the power to unlock thick, long, healthy hair that turns heads and boosts your confidence every single day. Start this routine today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Your future self will thank you when you're running your fingers through the thick, strong hair you've always dreamed of having. If this video opened your eyes to the truth about hair care, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what hair myths you've been believing. And if you're ready to transform not just your hair, but your entire approach to natural beauty. Subscribe and hit the notification bell because I'm exposing more beauty industry lies every single week. Your hair transformation journey starts right now. Don't let another day of damage happen when the solution is this simple. Trust the science, follow the routine, and prepare to be amazed by what your hair can really do. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.